Today I'll be sharing the journey of the Assemblies of God, covering its early history, current structure, and the heroes of the fellowship. The Assemblies of God was founded in 1914 in Hot Springs, Arkansas, emerging from the vibrant Pentecostal revival of the 20th century. Key figures like Charles Parham and William Seymour played pivotal roles in this movement. The First General Council was a significant event, bringing together various Pentecostal groups in a spirit of unity. It is considered a cooperative fellowship instead of a denomination. It had 300 people at the founding convention. In the 1920s, the Assemblies of God experienced rapid growth, establishing churches across the United States and internationally. This period also saw a strong emphasis on missions, leading to the creation of Bible colleges and training institutes designed to equip future leaders for ministry. The World Assemblies of God Fellowship is a cooperative body composed of more than 160 national church bodies. These national church bodies collectively number approximately 370,000 local churches and 70 million adherents. The stated purpose of the World Assemblies of God Fellowship is to pursue the fulfillment of the Lord's command to evangelize the lost in the shortest possible time, providing them the opportunity to hear and respond to the gospel in all of its fullness. Today, the Assembly of God is governed by a national leadership structure known as the General Council, with regional district councils overseeing local congregations. The fellowship boasts over 3 million members in the U.S. and around 69 million worldwide, reflecting its extensive reach through thousands of local churches. Our belief and practices Assemblies of God is biblical authority. The Bible is our foundation for faith and life. It's salvation through Christ. We believe in salvation through faith in Jesus. Baptism in the Holy Spirit. We believe in empowerment for believers, often evidenced by speaking in tongues. We believe in divine healing. We believe God heals through prayer and faith. We believe in evangelism and missions. We are committed to sharing the gospel locally and globally. We believe in the second coming of Christ. We prepare for Jesus' return through holy living. We believe in the fellowship and community. We grow together through worship, prayer, and support. The active Assembly of God leaders extends far beyond church walls. Thousands of missionaries have been sent worldwide, shaping global Pentecostalism. Additionally, the fellowship actively advocates for social justice, addressing the needs of marginalized communities, and promoting spiritual renewal within congregations. There are more than a dozen AG-endorsed colleges in the United States as well. The seminaries, colleges, and universities endorsed by the Fellowship of AG include Christ Mission College, Evangel University, Korean Assemblies of God, Laby College, Lumbee River Christian University, North Central University, Southwestern's Assembly of God, Trinity Bible Church, University of Valley Forge, and beyond. I love the Assemblies of God Church because of its strong commitment to faith, community, and practical ministry. The fact that the church focuses on biblical teaching, personal relationship with Christ, and empowering the presence of the Holy Spirit really resonate with me. Additionally, the emphasis on evangelism, missions, and serving others through real-world outreach aligns with my passion for helping individuals, especially in the special needs community. In conclusion, the Assemblies of God has a rich legacy marked by growth, strong leadership, and a commitment to global missions. Looking ahead, the fellowship remains dedicated to the community, engagement, and spiritual renewal, inspiring future generations to continue this vital work. I thank you for your attention, and I'd love to know your thoughts or questions concerning the Assemblies of God and its impact.